Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to record screen tutorial in your AI plus smartphone. So let's start friends. Friends, to record your screen you have to go to the control center. If you want advanced settings or advanced graphic, you can download any third party app from the Play Store. And if you want a normal recording, you have to just go to your control center and click on screen recording, and then you have to allow a record audio like system audio, microphone, device audio and microphone. Just select one of these and click on start recording, and you can see it is showing which app you want to record. Like I am want to record the Google Play Store, and when I just click, you can see at the top right corner there is a countdown that video recording has been started. So you can see at the top recording screen and audio. If you want to stop it, just click on stop and it will be saved to your gallery. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.